Good day to all of you. I am Mr. Chris. Welcome once again to our online training. We are here for another lesson in control technology. This topic is the way on how to download from computer into the PLC unit. We know that PLC programming is required in order to operate our device and to drive our outputs. Before that, we need to prepare the connections between the physical parts of the computer or our laptop with the programming platform and the PLC unit. We will be needing a downloader cable and ports compatible to each model. There is also a required software regarding the said downloader cable to fit its purpose. You should be aware of the devices connected with each inputs and outputs so that you can easily check the units respectively on your ladder program. We will be downloading the new program using the Mitsubishi PLC unit model FX3G or FX2N. So this is now our downloader cable. This is the USB downloader cable. It is an adapter from the USB port. Okay, this USB port is going to the computer. Then it is going to the PLC. This port is for the RS232, I think. Then we will put it here in the PLC. Okay, this is compatible with the this model for downloading our program. Okay, there is a required software for this in order for this to operate. We already starting now. As we already established the physical connection between the computer and the PLC unit, just make it sure that the downloader software is fitted to your PLC model and is installed in your computer. Open the JXWorks application. Then open the ladder diagram. Click Project, New, Simple Project, FX CPU, our intended model FX3G. Then language is ladder diagram. Press OK. So make it sure that you already have the ladder diagram. Okay. Let us make some program. X0 as normally open. X1 normally close. Then Y0 as the output coil. Then we will intend to make here the normally open latching or the holding contact for the Y0. So the contact Y0 should be open. Okay, as I told you in our past lessons, this coil, output coil, should be the same as the latching contact here. They should be the same. Okay, then our simple project is finished. Then we have to compile to check if there is an error in our program. Compile, build, and start, rebuild again to rebuild all. Okay, it is done. So no error in our program. We will download this program into our PLC unit. So what we will do, we will click online, then we will choose Write to PLC in order to download the program into the PLC. Then a dialog box will come. We will click Write. There are three buttons here, the Read, Write, and Verify, but we will use Write. That means that if we will choose the Write, we can edit the program or give the program into the PLC. Set parameter program. Okay. Then we will press the button Execute here. What will happen? So the dialog box will appear. The CPU status must be stopped to perform the write operation. You will just press Yes. So press Yes. The CPU status is currently stopped. Would you like to perform the remote run? Meaning you are trying to turn on the PLC unit in run mode. So you will just press Yes. Then close. Then this program now is already in our PLC unit. Then, just in case that this program cannot be downloaded to our PLC unit, there is some problem arise due to incompatible port setting. In order to make that, so we have to go back to our menu. We have to click Control Panel or Setting. Click Control Panel, then go to the Device Manager. This is Device Manager. Then click Ports. You can see here ports. That is COM and LPT. Click Port. Then you will see here our USB serial CH340, which is our downloader cable compatible for our FX model. So that means it is indicated here COM34. So this is the terminal we will be using in our platform for the PLC. Okay, you already don't forget this COM34. Then we'll go out here, go back to our PLC platform. Then we will click here down below on the left side, Connection Destination. Click Connection Destination, then it will appear here. And click Connection 1, then a dialog box will appear. Now, we can change the connection of the ports by clicking on this serial USB. That is here, RS232C. Then the COM ports can be changed. This can be done just in case that our ports are not compatible. So you can change here because some of the units are not automatic, so we need to change. So as we did a while ago, it is compatible, so automatically it comes into the PLC. Then COM34, the same as our device manager. Click OK. Okay. Then, just to make sure that it is compatible, you can still check by clicking connection test. Click connection test. Then the dialog box appears, successfully connected with FX 3G model. Press OK. Then again, press OK here. Okay, reminder. Please, once you finish setting up the serial USB, do not exit from here. Otherwise, our setup will not be saved by this setting. So instead, you will click OK in order to save the setting we have done a while ago. I will send again this program into the PLC so as you will understand. Press online, then click write. After clicking the write, parameter program, then the designated information are already there, then click execute. The CPU status must be stopped to perform a write operation. That means our PLC is in the run mode. So to be able to download the program, the PLC must be stopped. So you will stop the PLC. Yes. Now, this is now downloading our program. Now, the CPU status is currently stopped. Would you like to perform a remote run? So now, this one is the PLC now is ready for run mode. So would you like to run? Yes. Then close the dialog box, then close. This is now that the program now is already downloaded to your PLC unit. So this is the way on how to download a program into our PLC unit. Please continue watching. Click subscribe and wait for our next videos. Thank you very much, and I hope you learned from this lesson, and see you next time in our Say Hi Online training. Bye-bye.